Hey, what's up guys? I'm in St. Petersburg on the south side. These people got a crazy high water bill. I want to show you something you can check before you have to call anybody. Let me turn this camera around, we'll go find the water meter. So in the front yard, you're gonna find a meter like this, meter cover, says water meter, and underneath of it is gonna be your water meter. Let's get down in here. On this water meter, you have this small little dial. This is called a leak indicator. If that's moving, there's water being used or quote unquote leaked inside of the house. Go in the house, make sure you check all your toilets, faucets, make sure the kids aren't taking a shower, you're not doing laundry. If everything in the house is shut off, meaning all your valves, all your water, and that thing is still running, then the water's going somewhere. So you could have a leak. Hopefully you don't. If you do, we've done thousands of these in Pinellas County, St. Petersburg all the time. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Have a good day.